What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I don't know if this is going to be another video or a continuous video, but I found another great deal on Offer Up, and guess what? Yes, you got it, guys. I'm about to go get that parts, I should say. So today we might get some seats for the MBS, leather seats with the armrest. They're a little bit torn from, you know, the right here on the freaking driver's side. But I mean, no big deal. And also Escalade cluster, which I think the guy was selling for 150. I don't know, I'm probably lowball him, but let's keep that a secret. My guy, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but you know, that's how things go sometimes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and you know, that's the way it goes. But yeah, guys, let's go try to see if we get that cluster.
I was just trying to get him out.
Alright guys, so I never show y'all the reason why I don't like these seats. So first of all, let me show y'all this right here. This right here has a rate. So when you sit it down, as you're driving, you start to kind of like slide down. And also, when you're sitting down cruising, I hate this. Like I always gotta cruise like this, right here on the edge. As you can see, this is already broken. And it's kind of uncomfortable, kind of like putting your arm right here. So I don't know, and I'm not gonna go like this, but this seat right here is in perfect, great conditions. There's nothing wrong with it. So on this side, we have, this is broken. You can still manage to move it, but I mean, you gotta find the right plastic to move. Another thing is, you're sitting down, and you wanna, let's say, move this forward. Look, it's broken. So what you gotta do is, do that, go to hard, and then you gotta push it back. Get stuck. That's the reason why I'm changing the seats. Alright guys, so let me put you on some game before we start the install. So if you didn't know, if you want to get a 2008 jump seat, it's a direct bolt on because you have these brackets. But if you want to get a 2014, you can also do it. All you have to do is remove this trim right here, take this and take this part out, and then get the other one and put on this one. So if I wanted to, I could take this one off and I could install this one right here. So all I gotta do is, see this piece of trim, take this with me and this and the bolt, and I can put this one on that one over there. Another thing you can do is, if you don't want to throw this away, what you can do is save this part and get another matching one, like a 2008 or 2014, and then just, it's gonna be the same thing. You just take that part on the other side and just change it, swap this part, not the bottom one, because this one has the brackets on the bottom, and this 2014, they don't have the brackets. So let me show you this again. So as y'all can see, we don't have brackets. So because we don't have the brackets, then you know you can't bolt that into the truck without modifications. But just in case y'all wanted to know, let's go back to the seats. So remember that this was bent. I bended it a little bit more, so I think this looks pretty good. Overall, this bench seat was pretty good. I can say it's like almost new. I haven't even cleaned the interior. I cleaned this part, but man, it looks pretty clean with the exception of this tear right here. That's the only problem. And on this seat, this one, but I'm already looking at the bottom parts. They go for around $200, so I might do that for now, and in the future maybe get the whole thing done, the whole seat. This one's pretty clean, as you can see. So let's begin the install. Okay guys, so if y'all want to take the seats out and you don't have the torque bolts for these, which is like E something, E14 and E20 I think, you don't need those. If you don't have them, don't buy them. So what I'm using is, I'm using a 5/8, and look, it works just fine. And then on the back, the ones for the back is gonna be a smaller one, so you can use a 7/16, and if you want to use a number, you can use 12. For this one, I'm not sure the number. I think it was a 15, not sure, but this is what I'm gonna use because this is what I have. All right guys, so I tried using this big thing, but I was a little afraid that I might strip this bolt, so I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna stick with the ratchet. So that's what we're gonna use. So it does the 12 and then the 7/16. Alright guys, so looks like I just saved me some money right here. Look at this. Damn. Hell yeah. I know I've seen more somewhere. So I'm probably gonna take the seats out, clean the carpet, clean this interior a little bit. But now y'all know that the number 12 or the 7/16s and the what was this, 5/8, they work guys. So if y'all don't need to buy the tool, don't buy it. Save yourself some money. But let me get this done and I'll be right with y'all. Man guys, this thing was dirty. Actually, I ended up finding a bunch of change, like $3, a little baggie, and a gun carrier. So, but it's fucking dirty. was just supposed to vacuum it, but whenever I took this off, I was like, hell no, I gotta clean this out. Alright guys, so I tried cleaning as much as I could last night, but I figured this carpet needs some deep cleaning. So I ended up going to Home Depot and I rented this machine for $26 for 4 hours, or you can rent it for 24 hours for $36. So we'll see how long it takes. When this is at before, all vacuumed out, somewhat cleaned, and let's see what this machine is gonna do. And so I almost forgot to make a after video. Alright guys, so it got dark on me again, but I just wanted to show you the seats. I didn't want to have to wait another day, so this is what the seats look like. I can finally put my arm in there without a problem. This works just fine. I can put a third person in there if I wanted to. Then I got more storage right there. I think I'm gonna end up adding the cup holders there that I had on the other one, so I can have 5, and then I have some back here as well. See if I can get them open. Oh, it's already open. Man, so this was pretty new, right? And we talked about how the other one, has a tear, and it looks like I ripped a little bit more from here. So I was struggling to align the holes on the seat. I can't see it, but definitely it brought the height up. I'm not complaining about the height, because look, you can even see it, how it's like leaning the opposite way. So it has like a rake this way. Before on the other seats they were like this, so I kept sliding down, and now it keeps me in place. I feel taller with these seats. I had to readjust the height of the steering wheel, so now it's a little bit higher. And honestly, man, being in here is just so much comfier. Like, I feel higher. I feel like I'm actually driving a truck now. And then I also have my seat rest, so in case, let's say I want to put one of my kids in here, I still have, like, you know, the armrest. And same thing with the other passenger, or let's say my kid wants to put their arm right here, and that kind of like puts him, like he's not like dancing around or anything. So I don't know, it's pretty cool. So I really like the seats, can't complain. This, I'm gonna have to take care of it. Probably sew this like close and put some tape for meanwhile, because the new covers, they're $200. But I don't know if I just want to order the gray ones or just take both of the seats to get black, or I don't know, maybe a different color, take all 3 of them. But yeah guys, I mean, I like them, to be honest with y'all. Can't complain, not one bit. So actually the brackets are here for the OBS, so if y'all want to see the install of the seats on the OBS, stay tuned, because I'm gonna be working on that pretty soon. I'm not sure when. I don't know if I'll do it tomorrow, or I really don't know guys, but I really want to do it. I actually found a squirrel underneath the hood, chewing on some cables. So hopefully I don't have that much or any damage on the truck, I should say, because I was struggling to start it. I thought it was a dead battery, but I don't know if it's a dead battery or if it was a squirrel freaking chewing or something. But yeah guys, well, these are the seats. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment something positive or something negative. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.